Alright, we're live. Awesome. Okay, it's working. Great. Alright, as I do live videos of updates now because it's just easier. So, a little quick run. Some minor changes just for trying to figure out how the gameplay will work because there's a lot of things that's going to be in the game at the end. But for now, it's not a whole lot. I've added a lot. I don't know where to start. It's been 2 days shy from a month ago that I did the last update video. Let's see. Items. So I added a few things, which I modeled. Let's change this down. Here we go. Here's a paintball gun. Not bought from the store. Not yoinked from someone else's project. This is 100% mine. I made this. It has some errors with it. There's a little hole there because I'm using CAD. I'm not using Blender or anything. I'm using CAD, which is on the iPad, which I find to be really friendly. It makes sense to me. And I also have it where it's a complete Mac, so this will come in and out. So when I do animations, this will be coming out and reloading. Now, this is not the only one. There's a lot of different types of paintball guns. So here's the other one. This one has attachments because it was my first, and I was able to do a lot. They'll all have attachments, but this one, I went ahead and did it. What is that sound? Holy crap, there we go. So it has extended barrels, it just has a lot. These are all detachables. Here are different types. So that's also a paintball gun. A different type, man, this one has no problems. There's no holes in it at all. Really good model. So I added that. There's a clock, but I believe that was in the last video. If it's not, you'll see it in here. It has the real-time objects. There's some sound. I completely redid the character blueprints. I was having a main problem with communicating between the character blueprint and the controller blueprint. I finally figured out how to make them merge, and I can just all do everything in the controller. So all the logic, movement, punching, everything is within these right here, which is all in the controller, which is nice. It makes it so much easier on me. That's probably the biggest thing I've done, was just fixing that. So a lot of the stuff I did do that I was going to show got destroyed because of that, which is fine because I fixed my major problem. I fixed about 80% of my problems. I was have to redo a lot of stuff, but it's actually going to work this time with above 30 frames per second, so that's nice. So enough chit chat. Let me show you what the gameplay looks like right now. And this is not done the crosshair. That is just for testing, so don't worry about it.
I've got balls of steel.
Oh, he's stunned. He's stunned. God dang, die. There is a little problem with the mesh and the bullets. Come on. Screw you, honestly, stand there.
I've got balls of steel.
God, defective little... Oh my god, he's running! Stop running! I don't have enough stamina to deal with your ass.
I've got balls of steel.
Finally. So yeah, got AI. The paintball gun works. The paintballs work for the most part, even though it doesn't register half the time.
I've got balls of steel.
There we go.
I've got balls of steel.
Oh shit! Just fuck.
I've got balls of steel. I've got balls of steel.
They died instantly. Why are so many runners?
I've got balls of steel.
Oh, he's not being stunned at all. There we go.
I've got balls of steel. I've got balls of steel.
Okay, that's pretty much, yeah, there's a kill counter, so I've killed 12 of them. They ragdoll, which, it's pretty horrible. Look at that ragdoll. That is complete, oh god. Complete deformation. Yeah, their hitboxes aren't really good.
I've got balls of steel.
I just dropped 3 of them.
I've got balls of steel.
At least the physics work pretty well, considering. Like there's a paintball just sitting there. I need to make him explode with paint eventually. So, the physics works pretty well. Mainly because I'm relying on physics.
I've got balls of steel. I've got balls of steel.
I got so many.
I've got balls of steel. I've got balls of steel.
Alright, the controls. So it's WASD for the movement around. So S is back, A is left, D is right, W is forward. And this is the normal walking speed. Running, which is shift, so you have to hold shift for it to work, and then E for it to interact with things. Oh, before I could walk through that, it is fixed, so you can't, the gun's going through, but I'm not concerned about that. It is the body. Body, oh my god.
I've got balls of steel.
Oh, I got aim.
I've got balls of steel.
You see that? When I shoot him and there's balls bouncing off that way. I've killed a few AI that doing just doing that, with bouncing off of one character and it hits the other one, killing it.
I've got balls of steel. I've got balls of steel.
Ah, so many of you. Oh no. So that, yeah, that's basically the gist of the gameplay right now. There is a flashlight, and I got it dark. Let me just do that real quick, show you. It's kind of creepy when it's dark. Son, where are you? There you are. I'll just head and delete you. So, I don't know if it'll be this dark when it's nighttime, but it's kind of cool. Oh god, where are they gonna pop that at? Oh yeah. R is reload.
I've got balls of steel.
And the back little mouse button on the left hand side is also reload. Aim is the right mouse click. So if you hold it, it aims. F is fire. And it's one bullet per click. So,
I've got
faster you click,
balls of steel.
the faster the ball is. And since it's a oh my god, since it's based off a paintball gun, a lot of paintball guns you can use 2 fingers and it's rapid fire and it shoots really fast. So I got that mechanic built in by F and the left mouse key. So single shot with the mouse key and then single shot with the F. I can shoot about this fast with the F key, that fast with the mouse key, but I bring them together, it's pretty much automatic. Hold on, here we go.
I've got balls of steel.
Ah! So, it's pretty nice. It's going to back me out. I'm good. Let's see. Yeah, I want to go back right there. Right. So I was going to have a day and night cycle fixed. I did, but I didn't like it. So I'm completely redoing it. And it was just very... It costs a lot of frames per second the way it was built. So I just went ahead and deleted the entire thing. Most of the code is still in here, but it's trash. I'm going to redo it. But as we can see, I have a health bar. It does work. It doesn't really function right now. I can't die, but it does work. The AI obviously can die in ragdoll. Not ragdoll perfectly yet, but they do ragdoll. And then after 30 seconds, they explode just to save GPU power and frames. So that the computer, it doesn't have to work so hard.
I was giving you a kiss.
Oh.
Hey, we're close there because I need close for work.
Alright, back where I was. Where was I? Oh, so those are put in. The bullet count is in. It's on the gun and the screen. I took off the day-night, the timer of the day on the screen because it was also dropping frames. So up here it is gone. Oh, it's not showing right here. It's completely gone up here. The stamina bar I increased by quite a bit. Third person is still here, but it's kind of trash because of this jank aiming. So here's a third person. It's slightly moved from the last update video. It's just completely off. So I'm going to have to work on the third person. And that's pretty much it. There's a lot of little details which aren't really worth discussing because there's no visual representation or to show like why it's such a big deal. At least not yet. It will be a big deal later, but that'll be for another video. So as of right now, this is what it looks like and how the gameplay works. Alright. I think see you a month from now.